Alright, I wanted to do a quick video because I was just looking at my analytics. I can't say that word. Analytics, however you want to say it. And well, I wanted to just go over some, people to this day think SEO doesn't work. They think it's something that is past due or you shouldn't worry about anymore. But in reality, I wanted to show you, in my channel, we're at 2.6 right now. Okay, but let me just show you something. So we're gonna go here to how viewers, let's just go here to content basically, right? So we're gonna overview of all content, right? Views, of course, shorts are bringing in tons of views. So welcome everyone that's coming in from the shorts. Subscribers also from the shorts videos, So this is, shorts feed, YouTube search. 8.7 is coming from YouTube search. So of course I wanted to break it down some more. So we're going to go here to videos, right? We'll do it for the last month. All right, you scroll down here, how viewers find your videos. YouTube search, 61%. So that automatically makes me think, okay, well, what's going on here? You see here top videos, our last night at Ginny Springs, 50 hours across America, Ginny Springs 4th of July weekend, Amtrak Silver, and the Negril's Uncensored Boat Bar Reggae Party. So when you click here on YouTube search, you can see 61% of overall traffic. So 61% of 2.1k views, which isn't a lot, but still is coming from Ginny Springs 4th of July. So what I do is I copy this, open a new tab up, go to YouTube, and watch this. Ginny Springs 4th of July. My video, 2 of my videos are showing up right on top. That's insane. It's 5.1k views right here, and just shows you that SEO works. Well, let me give you another example though. So we're gonna close that tab. Meow meow in the grill. Let's see what we find when we type that in. You get my channel, you get all the shorts, you get all sorts of meow meows, and it just continues on. So that's that. All right, so I wanted to also break down, you got Ginny Springs, Florida, right? All right, so that's just that. You can go to external, you see 32% of my traffic is actually coming from Google search now, because it is ranking on YouTube, is thereby it's ranking on Google. As you see here, Google search results, which link to YouTube videos. So even Facebook is bringing in some traffic. But if you want to break these videos down a bit, let's just open from the top, our last night at Ginny Springs. So you see it's got 5,175 views since it was published. We're going to leave it on since published. 88.9% come from YouTube search alone, right? And let's just see how it is in the last minute is nothing. So last 48 hours, they got 18 views, right? So you go here to reach, and you can see here again how viewers find this video. YouTube search, 90%. Also 3.3% YouTube recommending your content. Here you go again, because it's ranking on YouTube so high, it's also ranking on Google. So you see that Google, then you see the search terms, Ginny Springs Memorial Day, Ginny Springs, Florida. You saw for this we were showing up. I'm sure for this will show up on top, for this and for this will probably show up on top. Let's just check this one. I'm not going to check all of them because this video will be super long. I'm trying to bore you to death here. So Ginny Springs Memorial. Oh, well, we're not on top, but we're there, So that's just that one. So also what I want to do is open this video up. Don't really want to play it, but let the tags load here for a second so I can show you the tags and how they work. So you see here, I have both vidIQ and TubeBuddy installed. vidIQ gives you the TubeBuddy gives you this score, so I go by this 95.6, which is probably one of my highest. And here, if you look at the vidIQ tags, these are actually searching. If you look these up in YouTube, you'll find all these tags 111118888. So you see it's moving up here. Subs, that's so that's that video. So we're gonna close that video, and let's continue to the next video. We're gonna have to go back here and change content, YouTube search. No, I think we have to go back overview. lost my train of thought here. Last 28 days. Top shorts. Content. Why did we earlier that tag was there, right? And I just we're on shorts videos. There you go. My bad. All right, so here we go. So we see here Meow Meow on the Grill. We see these. You see here top videos last 28 days, 50 hours across America. So this is one of my ones that is really taken off. 15.9k views. You see here 15.3k more than usual. Top traffic searches. YouTube search 88.9%, right? You get down here, how viewers find this video. 74% is coming from YouTube search alone, right? And 14.2% is coming from YouTube actually recommending it. Scroll down here, YouTube search again. You see YouTube, it's ranking only 1.6% traffic through Google, but also Google, Facebook, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Yahoo search. Yeah, it's only 1.6%, but still it's something. YouTube search terms, you see here 74%, 15.7 Greyhound bus ride, 4.2, continues on, right? So we can do the same here. I don't think we're showing up on top, but we'll see what happens. Greyhound bus, so we're somewhere in the mist there. I'm not really sure where. But you guys saw the analytics, we're getting traffic, you know, so. But let's just do the other thing too. Let's pull this up on search, pause the video. If you guys haven't seen this video, I think it's about 3 years ago. Yep, you guys should go check it out. And you see here, let everything load, 74.7%. And here's all the search terms again. 50 hours across America, 2,000 miles across America, bus across America, 50-hour bus patrol. For these terms, we're actually ranking. So if I go to 50 hours across America, right? Let's just copy this. Incognito window again, YouTube. Nope, it didn't copy. "50 hours across America," we are on top. We are outranking Peter MC, Unspeakable, Preston. I mean, there you go right there. We're even outranking Eric, and it continues on. So that's that. Let's check up one more. What's the other one that we were going to look up? 50 hours bus across America, 23. That's not too great. Let's do 2,000 miles across America. Copy. So I just wanted to make this little video to show you guys that SEO sometimes does take time. As you see here, incognito mode, 2,000 miles across America. We are second video. Again, outranking Eric, outranking Mr. Beast. So there you go. SEO is not dead. You just need to know how to do it. Hit me up. I'll help you. As you see, there's proof right here, literally working proof. We can even go back to, let's go back to the final analytics here, overview content. Let's say for a lifetime of my channel. So 269,000, there's definitely more views than that right now. Again, viewers find your shorts, 88. I don't know why it's showing us shorts. Okay, so here you go. Videos. Go down to videos, 59% from YouTube search. And there you go. One of my top videos is the one you see here. Whatever. 50 hours across America is the second top video now, over Amsterdam New Year's Eve, which is a very old video. Why don't we take a look at that? Amsterdam New Year's Eve. It got 2 views last 48 hours ago. Not even New Year's. And here we go right here. Since published, 81% of views are coming from YouTube search. 10.8% from YouTube recommending it. We go down to the search terms. Dutch New Year, 6.5. New Year's Eve in Netherlands, Dutch fireworks, all these views, all these keywords are bringing in, as you see, traffic. External sites, again, Facebook, Reddit, Google, because we're ranking on YouTube. So if we open this video up, this video is 4 years old and it's still in Amsterdam. If you guys didn't know, I used to live in Amsterdam once upon a time. So here we go, scroll down, 97.7 SEO, right? You go down here and these are what we're ranking for. Explosive fireworks, Amsterdam, number 1. New Year's Eve, Amsterdam, Dam Square, New Year's Eve, ... So explosive fireworks, Amsterdam. We're ranking number 1. Let's see if that's right, you know, because SEO is dead. SEO doesn't work. What is that? That wraps up this little presentation. Hit me up, send me a DM, send me a message, hit me up wherever you want to hit me up, and I'll be sure to help you with your YouTube. Again, it takes time, and I do it with love. So, meow meow, guys, and yeah, bless up. Never give up.